present a design review for 1800 square feet plot area. The house is outlined for a family that desires to stay close to nature. We designed an adobe to be very functional and spacious. Elevation strikes a balance between solidity and transparency. The facade is flanked by the balconies at different levels, and boxes are used as elements to add character. Green front lawn and a car parking area is placed at the entrance of the house. Internal zonal articulations is kept simple with common, semi-private and private zones. The concept of openness is applied rather diligently from the living space merging into the outside greenery. Formal living is large and spacious with wide openings to bring in the maximum sunlight. Living, dining and kitchen are the central active zones which faces the beautiful green view around the house. Utility is placed beside the kitchen. The puja is placed linearly to the living area. Guest bedroom with attached dress and toilet is placed at the back that faces the backyard. Staircase takes us to the central living area on the first floor. The cutout above the puja was strategically created to establish visual link and connectivity in all three dimensions. Master bedroom is placed at the front with large Sitout balcony that faces the road. Balcony holds the planters to keep the space open, connected and in sync with nature. Two bedrooms are designed on the first floor with dress and toilet attached to them. Bedroom at the back has attached dress and toilet and overlooks the backyard. interior color scheme is conceptualized to be neutral and material palette minimal. Wood and metal became the key element to design the panels and the furnitures. Used differently at different spaces against the subtle backdrops of white and grey, these materials are then overlaid with pastel furnishings and accessories. The floor also caters a common toilet and a storeroom. Designed to satisfy the dual purpose, the front balcony is so planned with landscape green area and loose furniture. Spiral staircase takes us to the open terrace with loose furnitures and planters on the periphery. The house has a unique representation that merges with nature in a contemporary design look. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.